Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to grow wheatgrass at home for your cats. Growing your own wheatgrass is a fantastic way to provide a healthy, natural supplement for your feline companions. It's packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and chlorophyll, which can significantly aid in digestion and help control those pesky hairballs. Plus, it's incredibly easy to cultivate right in your own home, ensuring a fresh, organic, and safe treat for your beloved pet. Let's get started. To begin your wheatgrass growing journey, you'll need just a few simple items. First, gather some organic wheatgrass seeds. These are readily available online or at pet stores. Next, find a shallow planting tray, ideally one that is about 2 to 3 inches deep, with good drainage holes to prevent root rot. Finally, pick up a bag of organic potting soil. Using organic soil ensures your wheatgrass is free from harmful chemicals, making it safe for your cat. Now, let's get planting. Start by spreading about 1 inch of your organic potting soil evenly across the bottom of your tray. Then, generously sprinkle your wheatgrass seeds over the soil's surface, aiming for a dense, even layer. Lightly cover these seeds with another 1/8 to 1/4 inch of soil. After planting, gently water the seeds, ensuring the soil is moist but never waterlogged. Continue to water daily, keeping the soil consistently damp for best germination. Your fresh wheatgrass will be ready for harvest in about 7 to 10 days, once it reaches a height of 4 to 6 inches. To harvest, simply use a clean pair of scissors to snip the grass about 1 inch above the soil line. You can then offer the fresh blades directly to your cat, or chop them up and mix them into their wet food. With proper care, you can often get 2 or even 3 harvests from a single planting, providing a continuous supply of healthy greens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.